Guys, guess what? The cousins came surprisingly to surprise us. Right now we're going turtle.
Hey, I have stuffies in my kiki rack.
Oh my goodness.
I think I might go on the other side. Let's just call this fish camp because turtles are like fish.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go on the other side of the lake. I could probably catch. Why don't we go by their favorite log?
Okay.
They
Good.
like those logs a lot.
What?
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, you're a bit heavy.
Oh, sorry. Oh my God, you quiet. I don't know. Well, guys.
I have 2 tattoos.
Really?
It just goes away because I put them on. Yes.
Little Miss Easton didn't wanna stay.
What?
What?
Your dad hunts too, right?
Yeah.
Anna?
Mm-hmm.
This one. One time I found this when we were in the woods with my family, like where the creek is and stuff. Well, it wasn't where the creek was, the pond.
Mm-hmm.
It was all frozen. My dad made a little tree kind of house
Mm-hmm.
where you want to sit except for there. He actually made there all the ice when you go down it where their pond was. There was it was all frozen and I even stepped on it.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, my daddy didn't even when we were on there, like on the pond when it was frozen.
Yeah.
We got the anchor off the boat and then we like bounced. We dropped it onto the ice and then it didn't do anything. It didn't make a hole. It just bounced.
Oh wow.
We are going on a walk. We are going to go on a walk in the woods.
Ooh.
Alright, so this should be easy.
Yeah. There's.
I love being down
Jesse.
here. It's so cool. Look it.
Oh, buddy,
So
don't.
cool.
Jess.
It's so cool, isn't
Yeah.
it? It looks so cool. I just want to walk up and down this all day.
And step over.
Coming to you live from the Josephina's natural habitat. We have a wild Josephina.
Oh man.
Spotting of him.
Here, if we walk up closely, we may be able to
Touch him. I can't do this. Come here, little guy. We got it!
We have found a new species in the Alaskan wilderness. We have found an Emelina.
Oh, look, there she is! There she goes! Hurry!
Hurry, we may be able to find her.
I got her! I got her!
Okay, can we see the inside of the box behind him?
Yeah. Let's hope there's no snakes or squirrels. Okay. Don't open any windows though,
Okay.
because the windows are pretty
You're
hard
the
to
only one who
close.
can open the door, Joe.
I could have.
Can you get up, sis?
My dad helps me get on this one, but
It looks so fun.
this is it.
By the way, there could be some wash.
He's probably gonna cut a hole in the back. Another window. Here.
Oh, there's a creek right there. I kind of just realized that the creek is right
You want me to open the windows?
there. Sure.
Whoa!
There's windows. Oh, there's
Did you
even
know
some
our
seats.
dad
There's a seat right
our
here.
dad put our names in on the cement that
Abby,
this is sick. Yeah, he put our names on
All
it.
right. Don't let it go. Don't let it go, Joe. You can open it. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, it is you.
We're just gonna open just the one.
And
Emily.
hi.
Get up there.
This is a little higher than Uncle
Last
Pat.
time when we walked down here, we didn't get up there.
Daddy put our name
here.
Can one of you shut the door?
Yeah, I can.
Cement name.
You're a pro at this, somebody.
Jaxie, buddy. Oh, we're just about done with our walk, and now we're up here. What? How was the walk, sis? Was it tired?
Boring.
Boring. Oh.
Can I hold it for a minute? Okay, so this is our yard, and Joe is kind of annoying. Did you get that, Yana?
I think so.
But I say you know.
What? Oh, yeah. Oh, forgot a ball. Yeah, my dog popped this one. So, yeah.
Hey guys, so we're gonna play hide and seek, and I am one of the good hiders. So Emily.
Oh.
There's Emily. Okay, this is unexpected and crazy. Okay, now I am gonna count.
Script or something?
Okay, and Yana's gonna count actually, and go. Yana, count.
Oh, 1, 2, 28, 29, 30.
So I told her, and I
Ready or not, here I come.
scratches, and I go, you cannot put them lens down. Like, you have to put them like this. I'm like, I really don't want to take them off of school, but if you take them off, you gotta
Hello.
hard job.
Hello. Hello. Hmm. Found you, Easton. Found you, Emma. That would have been difficult. I did not see you until. Wait, oh. This is a terrible hiding spot.
She gave us no time. When she leaves, I'm gonna bolt to the hay bale.
Oh, good idea.
Dang it! Yeah, I already know where one is. Dang it!
Joe, you spoiled.
I didn't spoil it. We just need to find Emily, folks. Okay? Got that? Emily's in the bathroom?
And then Ethan, you're gonna go potty.
Okay.
I don't need to.